Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Okay, let's start our today's class. Today I am going to teach you our second chapter, time. How can read time? How can read o'clock, quarter past, half past, and quarter to? How can read time? Let's check that. Okay, let's go to our class. At first, write the time. Write the time. I'm showing a clock to you. Listen that carefully. Okay, here you can see two hands. That is, the long hand is minute hand, and one more hand is that is the short hand. Okay, the short hand is our hand. Then where is the long hand? Here in this clock, where is the long hand? Long hand is in 12. And where is the short hand? Short hand in 3. So how can say the time? That is the question. How can write the time? If the long hand in 12, it is o'clock. Here the short hand is 3. So you can say the time 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Or you may write in number like this way, 3 and 2 dots and 2 zeros. How can read this time? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Ready? I am showing one more. Listen carefully. This one. Where's the long hand? That's in this picture also. That is in 12. Where's the short hand? That is in 10. If the long hand in 12, that is o'clock. Study that. If the long hand in 12, that is o'clock. Then which o'clock? Here the short hand. Where is the short hand? We want to find that. Where is the short hand? That is 10. So the time is 10 o'clock. Ready? Then in number, that you can write like this way, 10 and 2 dots and 2 zeros. 10 o'clock. In words you may say 10 o'clock. Ready? Okay, so study that. If the long hand in 12, that is o'clock. I'm showing another one. This. Can you see? Where is the long hand? At first we want to search where is the long hand. Here the long hand not in 12, that is in 3. That is in 3. This may, if the long hand in 3, that is quarter past. Quarter past. Study that. If the long hand in 3, that is quarter past. And 3, and where is the short hand? Short hand between 6 and 7. Between 6 and 7. So you may say the time as quarter past 6. Quarter past 6. Then quarter you may write 15. It is 6:15. In number you may write this as 6:15. How this 15 is getting, that I will explain. You may write this number as 6:15 or quarter past 6. Ready? I am showing one more. This one. Where is the long hand? That's again in this picture also. That is there in 3. Where is the long hand? In 3. So you may say quarter past. Quarter past which? Here we want to find where is the short hand. Short hand between 8 and 9. So you may say the time as quarter past 8. Quarter past 8. Or you may write in number, that is 8:15. 8:15. Okay, that is in word quarter past 8. Okay, now let's go to the another question. Another figure I am showing. This one. Here was this long hand. At first we want to find where is the long hand. At 12 I explained. In 3 I explained. Now the long hand in 6. Here, if the long hand in 6, that mean half past. Study that. If the long hand in 6, that mean half past. Then we want to find where is the short hand. Short hand between 8 and 9. So it is half past 8. How? Half past 8. Or you may say 8:30. 8:30. How we are getting 30, that I will explain. In number you may say 8:30, and in words you may say half past 8. Half past 8. Ready? I'm showing one more. In this case also the long hand is there in 6. I told you if the long hand in 6, that is half past. Then we want to find where is the short hand. Short hand between 4 and 5. That means the time is 4:30 or the time is half past 4. The time is 4:30 in words, that is half past 4. Okay. Now let's go to another question. Here in this case, where is the long hand? I explained if the long hand in 12, that is o'clock. If the long hand in 3, that is quarter past. If the long hand in 6, that is half past. Now the long hand in 9, that mean it is quarter to. It is quarter to. Study that. If the long hand in 9, that means the time is quarter to. Quarter to which number? That is, where is the short hand? We want to find that. That's between 5 and 6. That is near to 6. That is going to 6. So it is quarter to 6. Or you may write 5:45. How is the 45 getting? That I will explain. 5:45 in word, that is quarter to 6. You have to care that 6. Quarter to 6. That's going to 6. That's quarter to 6. I'm showing one more. This one. Where's the long hand? Long hand in 9. Long hand in 9 mean quarter to. Then quarter to which number? That's where is the short hand. Short hand between 10 and 11. That is going to 11. That is reaching to 11. That's near to 11. So it is quarter to 11. In number you may write as 10:45. 10:45. And in words, that is quarter to 11. Ready? Okay, that's finished. Then how we are getting that 15, 12? That's, let's explain. Time in minutes. Time in minutes. Listen, this clock. Here 1 mean, you have to study the table of 5. Here 1 mean 1 into 5, that is 5. 2 mean 10. 3 mean 15. 4 mean 20. 5, 25. 6, 30. 7 mean 35. 8 mean 40. 9 is 45. 10 is 50. 11 is 55. Study that. It is the table of 5. 1 5 is equal to 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. And 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. 11 5s are 55. Okay. So, and this one, look. I'm showing one more clock. 1 mean 5 past. Study that. 1 mean 5 past. Here the right side is past and the left side is 2. Study that. Right side is past, left side 2. 1 mean 5 past. 2 mean 10 past. 3 mean quarter past. 4 mean 20 past. 5 mean 25 past. 6 mean half past. 7 is, then you have to less, that is 25 to. Listen that, 25 to. 8 mean 22. Study that. 9 mean quarter to, that I explained. 10 mean